Hello students, let's start question based on property exercise 8.4 question number 5 fifth part. This question is most important. Now here we can check there are three terms and all the terms are same in numerator and denominator but signs are different. We can do this question by rationalization also by making a pair, but we are going to adopt one different method. First of all, you have to check when all the terms are same with different sign and there are three terms, you have to check the right hand side. In right hand side there is a cosecant, and so cosecant can be written as 1 upon sine. Cot means cos upon sine. So if we write in the form of 1 upon sine plus cos upon sine, we can check both are having denominator same, that is sine. So by that denominator you have to divide the numerator as well as the denominator. Divide numerator and denominator of left hand side by sine A. Cos A upon sine A is cot A minus sine A upon sine A is 1 plus 1 upon sine A is cosecant A. Cos upon sine is cot A plus sine upon sine is 1 minus 1 upon sine is cosecant A. Now keep the denominator same. And shift 1 of numerator at the end position. Cot A plus cosecant A minus 1. We are having an identity cosecant square A is equal to 1 plus cot square A. So we can say cosecant square A minus cot square A is equal to 1. In place of 1, in the numerator, in place of 1, we can write this identity. Cot A plus cosecant A. Already both are in addition minus. Now here it's 1. We can write cosecant square A minus cot square A upon the same denominator. Now see, here we can apply an identity A square minus B square. The first bracket remains same minus, here we can apply an identity cosecant A plus cot A, cosecant A minus cot A. Now when we check the numerator, we are having a common factor. That common factor we can take common. Now what is left? When we take this common factor out, 1 is left minus this bracket we have taken as common. Here what is left? The cosecant A minus cot A is left. And the same denominator. Cot A plus cosecant A. This one is the answer. But when we open this bracket, because there is a negative sign outside, when we open the bracket, the sign will change minus of cosecant A and minus multiply minus, it will be plus cot A. Now see, this second factor is same like a denominator, cot minus cosecant A and plus 1. All terms having same sign. This is one of the factor that is same, we can cancel. And what is left? Cosecant A plus cot A. The same is the right hand side. So this same we have to prove. We have started from left hand side and we have reached to right hand side. So we can say left hand side is equal to right hand side. Thanks a lot for watching my video. Please share, subscribe and like. Thanks a lot.